everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Math Queen, and welcome to my first official math video. If you haven't already watched my first video, please go ahead and check that out so you can get some basic information on me and my channel. And anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching Evaluating Numerical Expressions, Part 1. So, inside this video, there's two definitions you need to know. First, we have a numerical expression, which is a combination of numbers using mathematical operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Pretty simple. The next thing you need to know is the order of operations, which is a rule that tells the sequence of steps for evaluating a math expression. We can remember the order by using PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Please don't let the names scare anyone, or scare you even. This is not hard at all. If you really just learn it, it's really not hard. The name's just super fancy. So as you can see, those are the symbols for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And as you can see here, it's just an X for multiplication, which is what we're going to be using today. But in the future, in my future videos, we're not going to be showing an X as multiplication, because in algebra and in normal math, once you get older, teachers might not use X's anymore because X's can be used as a variable, which is a letter inside a mathematical equation. So in the future, we might be changing this X into a dot. So instead of doing like 3x4, we can do 3.4. Or your teachers might do parentheses 3, parentheses 4. Because X is a common variable used in math, and we don't want anyone to get confused thinking that the X is a multiplication sign when really it's a variable. So we're going to start off with something super simple, like I already showed in the last problem. We're just going to do times 4. So 3 times 4, really simple, it equals 12. You already evaluated an expression. There was nothing hard with it, no order of operations. It's just something simple. Now let's say we change the equation to something different. 10 minus 3 times 4. This is when you start getting into the order of operations. As you can see, in this equation, we have a 10 minus parentheses 3 times 4. And in the order of operations, if we look back, it tells you the order in which you use the order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Parentheses is the first letter, meaning you need to solve what's in parentheses first. You don't need to do anything with this 10 over here because there's no need. Parentheses is first. Just write it over here on the side. 10 minus parentheses. Now, 3 times 4 is 12. So let's just write 12 in this parentheses. Boom, you already evaluated what's in the parentheses. So now that we evaluated what's inside, we don't need to have the parentheses symbols anymore. So now we just have an equation 10 minus 12. If you don't know, this is going to have to go into the negatives. So 10 minus 12 equals negative 2. And that is our first equation. Now let's do something a little bit harder. I'm going to write in the problem, and you can feel free to just pause the video. Let's write this. So here we have 20 times 1/2 plus 6. Already you know that the order of operations is what is inside this problem. So what we're going to do, PEMDAS, the order of operations, parentheses is first, meaning we solve what's in the parentheses. So we're going to put dash 1. And now we have a fraction. Now we can multiply 20 by 1. So let's write this over here. 20 times 1 is 20. And 1 times 2 is 2. I think you can tell that we can reduce this fraction into a whole number. 20 divided by 2 is 10. But we're not done yet. Oh no. We still have little 6 over here. We solved what's in the parentheses, which is what we have to do, but we still have a 6 that we need to add on to this. So let's go over here and write 10, which is what was in the parentheses, and then the 6 that's over here. And already We're at the end of the problem. We just need to add 10 plus 6, which is 16. And that is our answer. Anyways, that's all we really need to learn about numerical expressions in mathematics. The basic things we learned in this video is the order of operations, PEMDAS, and how to construct and solve numerical expressions. If there are any questions about the video, feel free to tell me in the comment section below. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications, and leave a like while you're at it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!